Hello and welcome to another video walk around by myself, Parker, and today we're going to be looking at a 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. This is a 4-door, 7-passenger minivan in granite crystal metallic. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.6-liter V6 engine and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch alloy wheels. Some of your exterior features include a power liftgate and side doors, plus a remote start for your comfort and convenience needs. Now why don't we head inside and see what else this caravan has to offer. So helping us into the Dodge Grand Caravan, we have our nice key fob here. We have a lot to do on here, so I'm going to show you a few different options. So we have our lock and unlock that will work for the whole vehicle, and then we have automatic side doors. We can press twice. That'll open up the side door. You can also cancel that right away and get it closed. Same thing for the right hand side. And then we do have our rear that I'll show you in just a little bit. Plus we have our command start as well. So we'll unlock and then open up our door. So we'll check out our door. Driver's side door, we have a few things here. So we do have the back windows. We can open those up with just this button right here. And then we have the lock, we have the window buttons, plus we have our mirror adjust as well. And then lots of room for storage with some nice red detailing right there, stitching. Just beside, on the left-hand side of the driver's side seat, we have the automatic adjust, pushing forward, back, and then the top with the lumbar support as well. So nice and easy to adjust that seat. Sitting down, we're gonna get settled here. We'll plug our key in. Whoa. There we go. And there we go. We are set up and ready to start. So here we have the instrument panel. So 41,238 kilometers on here. Not a whole lot, lots of life left. We have a nice, easy to read instrument panel, and then in the middle we have the MID display using the left hand side of the steering wheel. I'm going to be cycling through to show you all the different pieces it has there. So we can go back. There we go. Press the back button. That brings us to our main menu, and we can use the arrows to cycle through. Lots of information here. And so just on the left hand side again, we have our voice recognition, and then we have a wireless or hands-free calling as well. The cruise control on the right hand side. On the left we have our headlamps, and then we have some dim switches for the dome light and then for the instrument panel. So looking at the entertainment system, we can press our radio button. That'll give us AM, FM, and satellite. And then media will give us our hard disk drive that we can upload music and pictures to, our CD player, which in order to access, we'll press the load button. And then our screen flips out. We'll close that. Then the auxiliary will work for our Bluetooth and auxiliary cord as well. This is our little auxiliary hole, and then we have a USB hole as well. Boom. Popping it into there. We'll close that up. And then below we have our blowers, and then we have the tri-zone climate control system. Nice and easy to check out and easy to use. We have the heated steering wheel, heated seats, we have the rear locks, and then we have defrosters as well. Then we can sync all 3 zones if we'd like. We can also press our rear, check out our rear, and use these controls to monitor that rear temperature. Just below that we also have the economy mode. We can press that on and off, and then we have a 115 volt power outlet, and then we have the traction control off that we can choose to use. Just below this we have 2 12 volt DC outlets. We can close that, and we have another space for some things in there. Plus we have 2 cup holders, and then we have a pretty sizable glove compartment, I guess you could say, little center console that we can close up. And then going a little further down into the abyss of the Grand Caravan, we have the locking glove box that we have all of our information and literature inside. Plus we have a secondary that we can open up and plug into as well. You can see there's a USB. That works great if you have just an iPod you want to throw in there and have that playing your music. It's fantastic. Now why don't we head back and take a look at cargo. So looking at the back of the Dodge Grand Caravan, we have a few things to show you here. So just in the back, we have our backup camera giving us an extra set of eyes, and then we have our window wiper in the back, plus we have our inlay defrost in the back window. So opening up, we can either press our button that is just above the license plate holder, or we can double click on our fob and then it opens right up, showing us all of our cargo space we have back here. So we do have stow and go seats. That's the first thing I'm going to show you. So we have all of these little tabs on them that show our process. So first we're going to pull up on this. That'll bring the headrest down, and then just below here, the 2, that brings this back down, and 3, unlock, 4, pull. Easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's that one. So once again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nice and easy to stow those seats right up, and you have a lot of cargo space back here. For anything you might need, 4 passengers plus a lot of room, or you can go 5 passengers, you can go 7 passengers, sorry, you can go 5 passengers, you can go 6 passengers. Either way, you have options. And now to close up, all we'll do is press our button. And to close our power gate, and then let us move on with our day. So let's just take a last look at our 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. Some other features include heated seats and steering wheel, a 9-speaker Uconnect system, and sport tune suspension for luxury and performance. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so come on in and take it for a test drive. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video. My name is Parker, and until we see you, drive safe.